Meaning of diminished responsibility.
Diminished responsibility.
Diminished responsibility.
Diminished responsibility.
Diminished responsibility. Diminished responsibility refers to a legal defense that suggests a defendant's mental capacity was diminished at the time a crime was committed. This could be due to a mental disorder, intoxication, or other factors that can impair judgment and decision-making abilities. If successful, this defense can result in reduced charges or lesser punishment for the defendant. Essentially, it acknowledges that the defendant was not fully responsible for their actions due to a lack of mental capacity or control at the time the crime was committed.